Welcome to the first video in a series of tutorials that will show you how to run and manage flash sales for your business. When you log into the platform, you'll arrive at the dashboard. So this is going to show you what deals you have running, along with some stats and some functions. Along the top, you have various features and functions that we'll go through during the course of these videos. But the first thing I'd like to show you is the difference between your deal directory and your deal page. So when you create your deals, you'll be able to send out a customized link to your subscriber base. So if you click on View DD, and DD will stand for Deal Directory, you'll see a page that your customers would land on. So on this page, you have a header and a footer, which will be customized by one of our service providers. But in the middle, you have 3 deals. So your deals will be featured here in rows of 3, and they can go down multiples along the page. Most clients run with 3 or 6 deals. So rather than just promoting one deal, if you do have more deals, you can host them on this deal directory page. So during this tutorial, we'll be calling this the deal directory. Now, if you click on one of the deals, this is the deal page. So this is what your customers will use to see the offer that you have with a countdown and a buy now button. So the difference is the deal directory can host more than one deal at once, and this is the link to the deal. So you can either send your customers to a custom URL just promoting one deal at a time, or if you have more deals, you can send them to a deal directory. I just want to go through the 3 different types of countdowns that we have. The first one is a time and date countdown, so you can set this to run out at a particular time on a particular day. The second one is a quantity countdown. So if you had just a select number of deals that were available, you can set that to run out. So over here you can see that there were 100 available, 82 people have already bought it, and there's 18 left. And the third one is the evergreen countdown. So the way the evergreen countdown works is when somebody lands on the page, the countdown will start. So if you set this to run out in 3 days and 2 hours, and you had a Facebook campaign or an AdWords campaign, and somebody clicks through, when they land on the page, the counter will start. So if in a week's time somebody else lands on the page, the counter will start for them. And if in 6 months' time somebody else lands on the page, the counter will start for them. So the power of this is you could set it to run out in perhaps 59 minutes. And you could have a Facebook campaign, somebody clicks and they see that they got there just in time. So they've got to make a quick decision whether they're going to get that deal. So those are the 3 different types of countdowns. Now the last thing I want to show you in this video is the update DD feature. So if you were in the middle of a campaign, or you had already sent out an email referring people to the link that you created for your campaign, if you were to create another deal or edit a deal, you wouldn't want that to show up on this deal directory whilst you're halfway through and still creating the deal. So the feature which is built in, which is Update DD, will push any changes or new additions you've made up to the deal directory. So without pushing it through, it won't appear. So for example, in the Actions panel, you have an Edit button, a Pause button, a Copy button. Then you can reset the visits and the sales, or you could delete a deal. So let's pause the time and date. Let's pause the evergreen, and let's pause the quantity deal. So even though we've paused those 3 deals, they're still showing here. So until we press update deal directory, that will push it through, and if you refresh this page now, the deals are not showing. Now, in the next video, we're going to get started and we're going to start creating your deal. So the first thing that you can do is copy this template. So if you go over to the copy button and click copy this template, and we'll call this laser lipo. This is all one word and we recommend using lowercase. What this will do is build the deal extension to the deal. So for instance, evergreen. So in the case that I'm building now, it's going to be laser lipo. So let's see. Okay, so that's checked and that's available. So you press continue. Okay. Now the last feature I want to show you in this video is show on deal directory. So imagine if you created 3 deals and you sent them out to your list of subscribers so they could see those 3 deals. Now imagine you wanted to create a deal with a real exclusive price or an exclusive offer, but you didn't want that deal to show in the deal directory. So you'd be able to send out another link saying, hey everyone, we've got an exclusive deal for all you guys at such and such a gym, for example. And when they click the link, they'll see that deal. So show on deal directory, the deal that we've just copied is set to no. So let's set that to yes. Let's scroll down to the very bottom, save and preview, and we'll save and activate that. And then once more, we need to press update DD. And then if you go to your deal directory and refresh that, you'll see that deal on the deal directory. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to customize this deal. Thanks for watching.